how do these ideas translate to the online world? For somebody who's listening and who wants to market online, I'm not talking about paid ads, just in generally being online. How do these lessons apply in the online world? What are the kind of practical applications?
I mean, there are lots of examples all throughout the book of both online and offline folks, B2B and B2C folks, products, services, and ideas. You know, what was really fun about writing this book is it's not just a business book. So, you know, sure, I interviewed transformational leaders and top salespeople, but I also interviewed doctors who got patients to lose weight. I interviewed hostage negotiators who got people to come out with their hands up, substance abuse counselors who got people to quit, a rabbi who got people to renounce the KKK, a whole bunch of people that got folks to change their mind in much more difficult situations than we often find ourselves. And they did that again because at the core, they understood what their audience was dealing with, right? Think about going to the doctor, for example, right? When you go to the doctor doesn't say, well, let me put a cast on your leg, right? The doctor starts by saying, well, let me diagnose the problem. And only once I understand the problem do I prescribe the solution. And so in some sense, like, I don't talk about it this way, but you could think about it this way. You know, one of the barriers is ourself. We're so focused on what we want to achieve that we rarely think about the audience that we're trying to actually persuade. But the more we understand them, in marketing, we'd call this customer centricity, right? The more we understand the audience we're trying to communicate with and change, the more effective we can actually be.